Listen to a lecture in a botany class. The professor is talking about insectivorous plants.
Today we're going to be talking about insectivorous plants. Do you understand what insectivorous plants are? Insectivorous plants are plants that trap and assimilate insects in order to sustain life. You may understand the meaning of insectivore from related words such as carnivore or herbivore. A carnivore eats meat, and a herbivore eats plants, while an insectivore devours insects. But unlike carnivores and herbivores, which are animals, the insectivores that we're going to discuss today are plants. All insectivorous plants contain chlorophyll and have roots, so they do not get all of their nutrients from the insects they take in. Insectivorous plants tend to live in soil that does not have enough nitrogen for them to exist, so they consume their insect victims in order to get the nitrogen they need. There are many types of insectivorous plants in the world. There are perhaps 500 known species of insectivorous plants worldwide. Of these many types of insectivorous plants, we are going to look at one of the better known ones in depth. The insectivorous plant that we're going to discuss in detail is the Venus flytrap, which is native to North America. Look at the drawing of a Venus flytrap on the screen. The Venus flytrap catches insects by suddenly snapping the ends of one of its trap leaves around an insect. You can see in the diagram that a Venus flytrap has a number of trap leaves, and that each trap leaf is divided into two parts. Inside the two parts of the trap leaf are 3 sensory bristles, which resemble tiny hairs. When an insect touches the sensory bristles inside a trap leaf, the two surfaces of the leaf shut instantaneously, and the insect is trapped inside the parts of the leaf. The Venus flytrap then discharges a digestive liquid into the leaf in order to assimilate the insect and obtain the nitrogen that the plant needs in order to survive. That's all for today on the Venus flytrap. I hope that from our discussion of the Venus flytrap, you have developed a clear understanding of how this and other insectivorous plants function.
What are insectivorous plants? What does an insectivorous plant get from an insect? According to the lecturer, how widespread are insectivorous plants? Identify the sensory bristles in the diagram. The professor briefly explains a process. Summarize the process by putting the events in order.